All right, all right, all right. Did you know that Matthew McConaughey can't make any left turns?
It's his time.
He can only make all right, all right, all right. Yo, what's up everybody? We're here in Golden, Colorado. Look at all these people. Thank you to my Coloradians.
Probably stick to the back, I don't got no turn signals,
You're fine.
Or anything.
That's right. That's fine. Shout out to the Coloradians for showing mad love. Thank you to everyone who came out. Really means a lot. That we're going to be heading out to Lookout Mountain. Probably getting lost somewhere up there. That's Lookout Mountain, somewhere over there. And a couple of wrong turns next to the old Google. Super dope that so many of y'all showed out to the meetup so we can ride Lookout Mountain as we explore and get our tourist on here in the beautiful great state of Colorado. We are learning. So apparently there's a bunch of signs that say Lookout Mountain, so we're gonna see if we can find, oh, there it is, a sign literally. It says 19th Street Lookout Mountain. There's a lot of bikes here. In Fort Collins where we're staying, there's tons of bikes that we've seen. A couple Dyna, mostly baggers that I've seen. And then here we have a wicked lineup. We have an FXDX with gold tubes. We have a Lowrider S. We have a Dyna and Softail version of that. We have a couple Street Bobs, Softail, and Dyna as well. And we have Oscar on the sporty, the solo sporty mobber for today. That's dope. Look at that. I think if I lived in Colorado, I'd pick up a cool little sport. That's a lot of people. Holy crap. It's definitely a little intimidating, leading a ride in an area that you've never been to. So it's like, don't take a wrong turn. Be sure to read GPS the right way. Oh, this is definitely like a Lime Creek thing, because we got those bicyclists. This is very neat. Look at that, just climbing up. Oh yeah, baby, look, the first turn that you see is this. Oh, that is steep, son. Did not think it was gonna be that steep. Look at this. It's like they knew. This is already intense. can see the people on the bikes just cruising. Oh yeah, definitely not happening. I would be so tired already. This is by far the... Oh gosh, excuse me, someone's selling something off for us. This is by far the more favorite road out of this trip so far. I mean, look at that. I'm trying not to crash while I'm directing my head to the right. Yo. So $1 Million Highway was definitely cool, but I have to say that you working your way up the mountain and it not being so mammoth that you can see your progress in real time, kind of like, okay, cool, we're getting higher here, now we're near the summit. It's definitely neat. Yo! We have an interesting switchback here, or I guess that'd be a 180. Dude, look at this. This is absolutely surreal. Oops, that is paint. Look at that! Ah! Switch this up. I think it says, oh shoot. Let's not look down while we're trying to do that. Yo, this is so rad. That scared me, not gonna lie. Dude! We're at the top! Look at that. That is so dope. Where else can you see that? That's so wicked. It's like all we need now is like an eagle. That's just, you hear the eagle cry, "Nyah!" to just further solidify that you have the airplane over there. Yo. Oh, see, look at that. Yo, I think we're gonna have to move here, dude. This is so rad. Just seeing all this activity. Oh, hello, lady. This is definitely cool. Hands down, the dopest dope I've ever smoked. This is super legit. This is legitness. Look at that, dude. Look how cool that looks. Oh, dude. We need to come back with a, I guess would it be a lead car? Like, let's say this Volvo in front of us had someone in it with a camera and just photographing us ripping with that in the backdrop, because I don't know if it's going to catch on that GoPro, but it's like, yo, how magical is that? Oh, dude, what is that up top? Is that the lookout? if that is. I'm guessing they're trying to cross. Oh, hi, puppy. Aw, cute little, is that border collie? Yo, look at that. Sorry guys, I'm obviously in awe. Wow-wee. I need to get 2 sessions. What? That is dope. That is so cool. Unicycling the mountain. Yo, like, how do you even do that? How do you brake? Because these guys are obviously cooking. Oh, dude, bravo to her. She's getting it. Those calves are just putting in work. She doesn't even look phased. For me walking up this mountain. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at this. Yes, Connor, we can see. We're looking at it. My bad. I apologize, guys. I'm just hope y'all enjoying the video, the views, as we work our way up this mountain. Look at it. Look at everybody down there. That's cool. That is cool. Let's try to get a backward shot of everybody. Hi, my name is Connor. I'm not going to mess this up. I'm not going to mess this up. Here we go. Here we go. Hi. Getting it, son. Dude, work. Look at these calves, dude. All these people that bike this mountain have calves of steel. Here's another one. You can see his calves protruding from all the way out here. He just boom. Solid. Dude, this is making me want to pick up bicycling. Obviously, on a much smaller level. Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Connor the Calf Analyzer. That's cool. Oh, there's that plateau. There's a football field down there. Got that small little barn house that just looks dope. Alright, so I'm gonna move to Colorado. I'm gonna buy land like this and build on it so I can have my mountain in the back, Mount Connor. Maybe make a little ski slope for everyone to come visit at the Connor Resort. You're good, yeah? that we're going to be stopping off here at Tommyknocker. Apparently it is a must when here. Oh, there you go. That works. I wasn't sure where to park. Scoop, 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 scoop. Oh, how the tables have turned. Yo, shout out to these fellas for giving us some good old Colorado hospitality. We went to, what the fuck, well, I forgot this.
Tommyknockers.
Tommyknockers. I was thinking like tummy knockers or something. Tummy sticks. Tommyknockers, really good food. Much love. This was definitely dope. Sick ass bikes. Yo, this is rad, dude. Yeah, no, it was really cool. Yeah, it's always dope, especially having the ability to kind of ride with people local to the area and kind of get like those like Tommyknockers, because we would probably just would have eaten at some Chick-fil-A or some shit, just kind of like, oh, yo,
Hit up Penrose tonight.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's what we were planning on, because the first thing that pops up is like the jalapeno egg photo. It was like a huevos rancheros, but with fresh jalapenos. Like, oh my gosh.
Dude, the grilled cheeseburger.
I started learning to use them standing on my back legs.
Oh, does that help? All right, all right, all right. Did you know that Matthew McConaughey can't make any left turns?
To time.
He can only make all right, all right, all right.